Hello people, today I'm going to show you how to bold text. So I'm actually kidding. So today I'm going to teach you how to use, I don't know. Okay, let me be true this time. Let me show you how to use rough animator. So oh no, I was actually kidding. Yeah, so we just click cancel. No. So I was actually saying how we are going to use paint.net. Since a lot of people get paint.net but actually don't know how to use it. So I'm going to show you how to do stuff like fisheye. So let's wait for it to open. You can listen to that music in the process. Okay, so let me insert like an image. Let me insert an image. Press open. Let me show you this. Let me show you how to do fisheye. Let me just put this image for an example. You can get fisheye by going to forum.getpaint.net.com. So actually, I got mine. Look, it's like a plugin. So we go and press tr fisheye, and then we are given the settings. You can either just leave it how it is by just pressing 1, and then you can actually you can make it expand or even rotate where the G should be to put some very outstanding G effects. Yeah, but sometimes you can use this, and then you do the spotlight only on one spot. Light intensity, you should just leave it how it is. Highlighting, there's nothing, so let's use the specularity. Let's just do like this, and let's go highlight. So it actually highlights the color that you pick. I'm gonna choose green. Then let's go to the max. The light intensity should be like that, like this, on 2.18. Then go spotlight. Then we rotate it. Yeah, and that's how we do fisheye.